Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will study about Windows 7, the operating system.
Windows 7, the operating system. Computer is a machine which cannot think on its own and requires instruction from us called users. The most common program of a computer is the operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with hardware using software. It controls all the activity of the computer. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface, that is called GUI, between a computer and its user. Feature of Windows 7. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. Windows 7 operating system has become very popular because of the following features. Windows is attractive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes and slide shows. It is very easy to use Windows 7. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search for more things in more places in our computer. Windows taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is flexible or more flexible and application oriented. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. The new feature, that is arrow peak, allows us to turn the open window transparent and make the desktop of the computer visible. To do so, just point and click on the right edge of the taskbar. Windows support multitasking. Windows 7 can perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letter in MS Word while enjoying music using Windows Media Player. The next feature is Jump List. Jump List, this is a new feature which takes us straight to the document, picture, song, or website you recently visited. To open a jump list, right click on a program button on the Windows 7 taskbar. For example, the jump list of Internet Explorer shows the recently opened website. Starting Windows. When we switch on a computer, Windows start automatically and display a welcome message. It is followed by the first screen on Windows, and the first screen which appear on our desktop on computer is known as desktop. It contains some graphics or symbol known as icons. The first is the start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the start button, a menu displaying the major option appears. These options provide access to the main program on a computer. Some main components of Windows 7 are desktop icons, desktop gadget, start button, program button, taskbar, and notification area. Using the computer folder, we can access all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving, and copying file in a computer. When you double click on a computer folder, you will get the screen as shown on your screen right now. Next is file and folders. Files. It is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD, or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, similarly, any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. Each file is given a file name which help us to find the desired file. Next is folder. As we keep all our file in a cabinet, in a file cabinet, similarly, a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called subfolder. Now, creating a file. The most common way to create a file is by using any application software. Open MS Word. It starts with a blank page. Now start typing text on the blank page. After completing your work, save your file using Office button, then Save option. Type a file name and save as. So this create a new file. Now let's learn how to create a file or a folder. Right click once in the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Now select the new option. A list of sub-option appears. Click on the folder option. A new folder will be created and display on a desktop. Now type a name of the folder at the cursor position and press enter key. A new folder is created. How to open any file or folder and how to rename it. So to open a file or folder, simply move the pointer to the required file and folder and double click on the file and folder will open, and now you can view its content. Now how to rename any file and folder? Rename means to change the existing name of a file and folder. To rename any file and folder, first select that file and folder, then right click on the selected file folder and select rename option from the shortcut menu. Now type the new name that you wish to give to the file and folder. Now using context menu. When you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appear which is called context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access command. Right click on different area and object will display different sets of command. Now context menu is also called shortcut menu. Now let's come and understand what is shortcut. A shortcut is an icon that provide an easy and quick way to open an application or software that we use frequently. The lower left corner of the shortcut icon has a small jump arrow. Double clicking on the shortcut icon will open the file or program it represents. Now how to create shortcut? Click on the start button and select all program. Place the cursor on Microsoft Office 2007 from the Microsoft Office folder. Then right click on the Microsoft Office Word 2007 program. A pop-up menu will appear. Now select Send to option. You will find another cascading menu. Now click on the desktop to create shortcut. A shortcut of Microsoft Word appear on the desktop with a jump arrow in the lower left corner. Now double click on the shortcut icon to open the application directly.